Hello friends! So today we're going to be doing a little fall look and we're going to be trying out a new item that I received today. It is a Forever Lip Marker by Tipsy. That is an Avon product. And this is in the shade Cherry Crush number 7. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to make this a quick one. So, let me go ahead and just put my hair up so it's out of the way. I did freshly dye my hair. You can see I got like some pink on me and stuff. Okay. Lovely little clippy clip. I love these things. I would die if I didn't have them, I swear. Okay, so today we're going to be using this Avon palette. It is the iconic Avon Beauty Classic Collection. And we're going to be using, let's do Eyes of Golden Wonder palette. That'll be this one here. And it looks like this. Today I wanted to do a fall look. I'm going to call it Apple Cider, and I think it'll look nice with our cherry lip pop color. Okay, let's get into it. So I don't have all Avon products just yet. I used to sell Avon a really long time ago, and I got rid of all my Avon products because they got old. You know, you can't really keep your products for very long from where it's not safe to use them on yourself after so many years. So anyway, I don't have all my products yet, so I'm using some of my favorites that I've gotten from drugstores and so on. And let's go ahead and start with our eyeshadow primer. This one's by Milani. This stuff is great. I love it. And this is the shade Nude. I'm going to handy dandy mirror out. I have this cute little pocket mirror. Ew, I need to clean it. Just a little bit for each eye. I do have hooded eyes, so I like to put my primer all the way up to my eyebrow, and you can see that it just blends right in perfect. It also brings down that shininess that I have on my face. Okay. Now for the other eye. Okay, so we are primed and ready to go. And we're going to dig right into our palette here. Let's see. These particular shades don't have names labeled, so let's go we're gonna go with this neutral shade here to start out with. Neutral pretty. Going in for another dip. Okay. By the way, this is an Avon brush. It is older, but it is an Avon eyeshadow brush. Now we're gonna go in with my floofy puffy brush and kind of go over this a little bit to add some more color. And we're gonna go with probably this shade here. It's a little more orangey to add that more apple spiced look that I'm gonna go for. This just looks so pretty on the brush. If you can see that or not. My brush is stained, I'm sorry. So much better. And for our second dip. this side's a little bit off, so we'll have to fix that a little bit, but nothing a little highlighter won't fix. So we're gonna go in and use, let's do this one here. Still with our poofy brush. I've been wiping it off in between colors, just so you know. Okay. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of shimmer to the corners of our eyes as well. Alright, I'm going to add just a little bit more shimmer to the highest point of my eyes here. So we're going to go in with the previous color we've used before. I'm going to go back into this one here. And just add a little bit more highlight just to bring a little extra pop. Just gonna pack it on there. And same with my other eye. Like so. I don't know if you can tell or not. It definitely looks a lot better. I think we're done with our eyeshadow. I'm going to quickly grab a makeup wipe for this. Alright, we're back. And it's also a coffee break time. Now we're going to bring out the eyeliner. I use a liquid liner. I use the LA Color liquid. I know it's like $1 at the Dollar Tree, but I'm telling you, it's probably the best eyeliner I've ever used. I'm hoping Avon has one just as good, if not better. Here's the hard part. Matching the eyeliner. I am no professional, by the way. Definitely not, but I am an enthusiast. Again, it's not perfect, and my lines are a little bit lower from where I have hooded eyes. Just gonna try that a little bit. I'm gonna try next time. There we go. Good enough for me. Okay. Next, also don't judge me for this, but I use the LA Color Boost-tastic Volume Mascara. This was also pretty cheap, honestly. It was like $3, but it works well for now. So. Let's get plumping these eyelashes. Pardon for the faces. Okay, there's my eye done. Now I don't wear false lashes. I never have, and honestly I probably never will. But there might be an exception one day, maybe with a Halloween look or something like that. Or if I'm feeling extra frisky. Oops, not on my eyeshadow. There we go. I do like my bottom mascara to be a little bit messy. Kind of mimics the eyeliner that a lot of folks will do. one spot there that I kind of screwed up. Let's go in with, I'm going to do probably this one again, just so it's nice and bright. Try to fix this one spot real quick. Okay, it's coming off pretty easy, but I'm gonna mask it a little bit because I definitely don't want to do my eye again. We're gonna go in with our small brush here and just go in with that orangey pinky color and just kind of blend it in a little bit, packing it on that one spot that I screwed up on. And just a nudge. Okay, I think we are done with our eyes. Let's go ahead and open our Tipsy Forever lip marker and give it a try. If I can childproof now. It says Forever lip marker. Tipsy. This is my first time using one, so bear with me, guys. No special instructions. It says, get kiss ready with a perfect partner. Super long lasting, super durable. Let's do it. You want it dry? Something to the lips before they dry. Let's add a little bit of gold. There we go. Ooh. Okay. Now, like I said, this is just going to be a short and sweet look today. I'm not going to do any blush or anything like that, but you can add a little blush with the highlighter on your nose, cheek, and the top of your cheekbones. That would be really nice too. Excuse me. So let's go ahead and put my hair down for the final look. There we go. Here is the final look, friends. Thank you for watching, friends. Know that you are important, and I love every one of you. There are lots of other people who love you. Don't you forget that. Have a